Hello guys, Happy New Year's. I can't believe it's finally 2020. I'm so excited. This is my first video of the year. I hope you guys enjoy it. So today I'll be cleaning my bathroom, my room, and doing some laundry. I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation and organizing motivation and inspires you to tackle areas in your home. Now let's get straight into it.
Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the
So here I'll be using my Jaws disinfectant cleaner and my Jaws glass cleaner and my e-cloth, and these will be linked in my description box down below if you want to check it out. I would highly recommend it. It's non-toxic, so it's safe for anyone in your home. So if children or your animals get a hold of it, it's completely safe. It's not going to hurt them. It works really well. I'm super happy with this product. I've been using it for a couple months now, so it's going to be linked in my description box in case you guys want to check it out. I'm going to go ahead and take a few minutes to organize this bottom drawer. I've been in and out of it a lot lately, and I just haven't had the time to get it back to organizing. So I'm going to go ahead and take these few minutes that I have and get it organized.
They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No, listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border.
I'm gonna go ahead and strip my bed, get my sheets all nice and clean so I can start off the new year with nice clean bedding. And I also have my comforter linked down below in my description box as well. I got it from Wayfair. I think I spent like $65-70 on it. I tried to link my sheets that I got from Walmart, but I can't find the link, but I'll keep searching for you guys. So if I'm able to find the link, I'll definitely put them down in my description box. But if I can't, they're from Walmart and they're about like $15.
What I'm saying. Don't waste your love. He's not the one, 'cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake. You need to know, just let him go. Just let him go.
change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know. Prison uppers, firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got